Get him in?
Get it.
Get it, Daisy.
What is it? What is it?
Get it, Daisy, get it.
Jeremy.
Get it, Daisy.
There's a treat there.
Ah.
Where'd you get it? A blanket?
There's a blankie.
Blankie?
Where's the blankie? Where's the blankie?
I have never seen a dog open a Christmas present.
She's been so sweet. It's no good out now bringing them a surprise.
Get it. What's in there?
There's something in there. It won't open.
Did you get it, man?
Where is it, Daisy?
Blankie. Where's the blankie?
Daisy got a new blanket.
It's like, there is something inside there.
Oh my God, this is probably the best present ever. There it is.
There. Oh.
Did you get it,
Now shaky, shaky. There's still something in there. Uh-oh.
However,
This is the best blanket ever. Where'd you guys find this blanket? It's edible. Edible blanket.
she's got wrapping paper around. What is it, Daisy?
Shaky, shaky. You gonna shaky? Oh. This blanket's so cool. I got the munchies.
Oh, yeah.
Hmm.
Did you get it? I don't know what.
Ah.
She found a cookie.
I was really good.
She found a fish duck strip already.
She did, yeah.
That was the first
One
one.
of those cookies and I believe that's it. That's all I forget.
Where did you guys find an edible blanket? This is the best. What's it, Daisy? What's it? What's
It's
it?
no better than pistachios for sure.
Oh, there's another duck tree in there too.
There is?
Hmm.
I put some duck treats in it.
Maybe I shouldn't shake it.
Is it good, man? Is that a good one?
I've never seen anything like that.
Right, considering she didn't touch it the whole time it was sitting there
I
all
know.
like that.
Not until we said she could have it.
Yep, that was good.
Okay. You're just munching.